There's nothing better than a warm cinnamon bun. The trick with cinnamon buns or any type of yeast-raised dough is you gotta let it rise. So in a bowl, I have some eggs, some butter, some vanilla, a little bit of sugar and cinnamon, and I mix that a little bit. And then in this bowl, I have my dry yeast and my flour. Now, the trick here is the temperature of the water, depending on where you come from. If you're in Las Vegas, you might have to proof it longer than if you're in Louisiana, right? If it's at wintertime or summertime. In the winter, you might want to use the water warm. In the summertime, you might want to use it cold. So right now, I put the water in, and I'm going to let that mix, right? So now that I mix that all together, I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like. You're mixing it because you want to activate the glutens, right? So you want to mix it so that the dough gets nice and smooth. You activate the glutens, okay? And I'm going to scrape it out, and I'm just going to kind of use my hands, and I'm going to make like a little ball, okay? Like so, okay? And then I'm going to put this in a bowl, okay? Well, it should be a bigger bowl like this one because an hour later,
because it's
this is going to turn into that, okay? I prep with my butter, my brown sugar, and my cinnamon sugar all ready to go. I put a little bit of flour down, Rach, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just scrape this guy.
That. You've got a 3-layer system, almost like you're breading a cutlet, but you've got it ready to go for cinnamon roll.
And a lot of times too, guys, the rolling pin is great, but use your hands, right? I'm going to kind of like stretch this because I want to roll this into a rectangle, right? So let's go this way.
I gotcha.
So now that we got this rolled out, right, I'm just going to lift the dough a little bit just to get a little air, make sure it's not stuck. All right. So now that we have that done, I'm going to take our butter and, don't be cheap with the butter, baby. Butter makes the difference. And it's why it's important too.
Butter makes everything better, baby.
You know it. But even salt, people don't realize how important salt is in baking because if you don't put enough salt in, you don't taste the butter. The more salt you have, the buttery your biscuit will be. So now we got that in there. And the cinnamon sugar. We're just going to cake this baby on.
Hoboken style. Woo!
Woo! Okay. So now I'm just going to kind of like smooth it out with my hands a little, right? Make it nice and even.
It looks gorgeous.
All right. It looks good. I mean, it smells incredible in here. I already baked one, Rachel. Now I know what I'm eating for lunch. Okay, so now that we got our rectangle all set, we're going to cut this into probably I'd say 2-inch wide strips.
Gotcha.
Okay. I'm going to take a buttered cake form. Okay. And I'm going to just kind of roll this into like a little flower, we'll call it. All right. This kind of reminds me of cake decorating.
They're like roses. They're like cinnamon roses. Gorgeous.
Like cinnamon roses, right? Like that. And then now I'm probably going to rip these in half now to make it easier because I got the first one done, right? You see how that is? I put that in the center. Okay. And now we're just going to keep adding the layers. Okay. So now we're going to just wrap this guy.
Stunning.
All right.
So you put the large one in the center to make the center of the rose. This is one giant rose you're creating.
And I'm making one giant rose. So I'm just going to kind of take my time and wrap this around, right? So now that we got this done, Rach, right? We let it proof for another 15 minutes, right? And it gets like that.
At that.
So after it grows, we're going to pop it in an oven. And the trick with this is because it's so big, low and slow. 300 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes. And you're looking for an internal temp of like 165. Okay?
Wow.
And
it really is slow. That surprises me. It's gorgeous, guys. Yes.
You see that, Rach? And then bada bing, bada boom.
Everybody's favorite part, their icing, right?
Oh, yeah.
Crazy.
Mm-hmm.